Well, to me, it's just obvious. Message matters most, because every time we have the opportunity to share any kind of message about who we are and what we do, it's an opportunity to further shape the brand story that we want to embed in the minds and the hearts of the people that we're trying to reach. A brand story meaning, how do we want them to feel when they come across our business? What do we want them to think of? If we don't shape that message by message, then people will do one of two things. They'll either just make it up, and in that case, most likely they'll just lump us in with all of the other businesses in the same industry category, or they'll just ignore us because what we're saying doesn't mean anything to them specifically. And constant sales offers don't shape an emotional feeling or a connection, a brand story. So when I say message, I mean any instance at all when we are trying to communicate about who we are and what we do. It could be a social media post, it could be a traditional kind of a TV, radio, or print ad, a trade show display, a stand-up banner, the way our website looks, the text on our website, an email that we send, the way our business cards look, the way that we interact with each other, answer the phone, talk to our customer. These are all potential messages, and every single one is the opportunity to shape the story of how we want to be perceived by the people that we're trying to reach. If we don't view every single one of those as an opportunity, we're just we're missing the train. We're throwing a lot of really good opportunity away.